Hi, my name is Buddy Blackman. I'm with the Fayetteville Real Estate School, and today we're going to talk about some real estate math, how to compute your commission, how we get paid. All right, this is one of the easiest and fastest calculations you'll have in real estate. Very simple. The formula is take the sales price, not the loan amount. Be very careful. We're going to use the sales price, multiply it by the commission percent, and that'll give us the total commission. All right, and we see on this one, 95,000 times 7% equals a commission of 6,650. Commissions could also be split between the listing company and the selling company. Again, remember the selling company is representing the buyer, the listing company is representing the seller. So the commission, that 7% could be split, does not have to be on an even basis or equal basis. A home sells for 95,000, total commission is 7%. The selling company receives 4% and the agent receives 3% of that 4%. How much does the selling company receive? Well, the selling company is only receiving 4%. And it's asked, the question is asking us, how much does the selling company receive? So there's some extra stuff in this problem, math problem, that we don't need to compute the problem. I call it junk in the question. So be careful reading these real estate questions and look for that junk in the question and ignore it. We do not need that 7%. We do not need this 3%. It's asking us how much does the selling company receive, and the selling company receives 4%. So we're going to take that 95,000, multiply it by 4% or 0.04, and we come up with $3,800. Example number 3, a home sells for 95,000 with a 7% commission. The selling company receives 3% and the agent receives 45% of that. What is the agent's share? All right, so the selling company receives 3% of the 95,000. We're just going to multiply 95,000 times 3%. And then the agent receives 45% of that. So we're going to then multiply that by 45%. And the agent will get $1,282.50. Again, use the selling price. Here's some junk in the question right here, 7%. That's junk in the question because it's telling us right here the selling company receives 3% of the 95,000. The other 4%, so 7% minus 3% equals 4%. The other 4% will be going to the listing company. But the question is asking us, what is the agent's share for the selling company? And it's $1,282.50. All right, a broker earns a commission of $2,400. His rate of commission is 6%. What was the selling price of the house? Now it's asking us what I call a backwards question, because we usually take the purchase price, multiply it by the commission percent, and get the commission. Here it's given us the commission percent of 6% and given us what the dollar amount of the commission is. We've got to work the problem backwards to get the price. Right? And I do that using a T-bar. Let's see here. All right, and I'm gonna throw up my whiteboard here. So I can type, and here's my whiteboard. Okay, so the problem is asking what is the price? We know the forward way of the problem is price times the commission percent will equal the commission dollar amount. All right. And from this, it's given us a commission of 2,400 and it's and the commission percent of 6%. So if I write this out again, price, that's what we're trying to find, times the commission percent, and in this problem it's 6%, will equal the commission dollar amount, and it gave us that of 2,400. So we're trying to work the problem backwards. And to do that, we're going to need a T-bar. All right, and a T-bar looks like this. That is the T-bar. The bottom part of the T-bar is the multiply. The top part is the divide. So we look at the forward way that we work the problem, and that would be price or purchase or sales price times the commission percent would equal the commission dollar amount. All right, so that is how we put it in a T-bar. Now it gave us the commission dollar amount. So 2,400 will go here. It gave us the commission percent. So 6% would go here. Now we can use the T-bar to find out what the purchase price, because we're just going to take 2,400 because it's on top, divided by 6%. So if you take your calculator, 2,400 divided by 6% will equal 40,000. 40,000. So we're going to jump back over to our problem here. And here it is. Divided by 6% equals 40,000. And that is the answer to our problem. A broker earns a commission of 2,400 in the sale of a $40,000 property. What is the commission rate? Again, that's asking us a backwards problem. So we would have to use the T-bar on this. Multiply goes on the bottom. We know that multiply, it's purchase price times the commission percent. We don't know what that commission percent is. The 2,400 is the commission dollar amount. That would go on top. So that would be 2,400 divided by 40,000 would give us the rate. And the answer is 6%. All right, 0.06, we multiply it by 100 to change it to a percent. The commission rate is 6%. All right, I hope I helped you out today with how to compute commissions. This is Buddy Blackman with the Fayetteville Real Estate School.